The 4 astronauts who flew in NASA's Artemis 2 mission around the moon have splashed down safely in the Pacific Ocean after a flawless return. Their Orion spacecraft, which was traveling at more than 38,600 km per hour and with temperatures of 2,760 degrees Celsius, splashed down at Pacific Ocean near San Diego at around 5:30 a.m. this morning. 3 Americans and 1 Canadian, that is Christina Koch, Victor Glover, Jeremy Henson and Weishman, were on the historic 10-day voyage that aims to eventually install sustained presence on the moon, including a base. It was the first lunar flyby in over 5 decades. Shortly after their splashdown at Pacific Ocean, the recovery team, which included speed boats and choppers, inspected the capsule and airlifted the astronauts USS John P. Murtha ship, and the astronauts were greeted by officials of NASA on board the ship, where medical tests were conducted for astronauts. Launched on April 1st, Artemis 2 mission reached maximum distance of 406,771 kilometers, and the 4 astronauts became the humans to travel farthest away from the Earth. While hurtling through deep space and zipping around the moon, they took thousands of photographs, amassing a stunning portfolio of images that captivated people on Earth. They also witnessed a solar eclipse along with extraordinary meteoroid strikes on the lunar surface.